Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. So we're going to go over the recent price action and how we have been trading that price action, and we're also going to take a look at potential future price action and where we could expect the price of Bitcoin to go, because Bitcoin is having a little dump towards the downside, which doesn't look too good. But then again, we are traders and we can profit off of this off of this dump. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and enjoy. So what we can see here is that if you've been following Bit Trading, you will know that we did enter a short from this high right here, and as you can see, we shorted the high of the move, which was a really nice trade. And if you're on the Visionary Discord, you will know that we have made almost 90% profit on this single trade. You know, this has been a very successful trade, and I let my Visionary members know over on the Discord when I was actually entering this trade. So if we go all the way back here, we can see that I let my Visionary members know I was short, okay, and why I was short as well, okay. I gave them the level that I was short from and the stop loss that I had in place as well, and here I told them why we were entering this short position. So we were getting an SFP of the buy side liquidity, and we were getting bear divs on the CVD, and I clearly stated that right there. So this is the reason why we entered this short position from all the way up here, and as we can see, this has been a very profitable short position, okay. Like I said, you know, over almost 90% in a profit, okay, and we could still see further downside for Bitcoin, okay. So this trade could be much more profitable in the future as well, okay. But during that time, we have also entered another trade, which was a long position, okay, and that long position was opened as a hedged long, okay. So what we can see here is we got an SFP of the range low, and I told my Visionary members that I was taking a hedged long, okay. So we got a very clear SFP of that range low, okay, which for me was enough to enter into a hedged long position, okay, and it was a hedged long, okay. So I was still expecting a possibility for further downside. That's why it was a hedged long. So we took profit pretty quickly, okay. We took profit at 20%. I let my team know here, TP1 at 20%, really nice profit for that long. And then as that trade progressed, we did actually hit that stop loss for the long. However, we still have that short position open, okay, that we entered from all the way up here, and that short is continuing to yield us profits. As I said, almost 90% in profits, and if the price continues to dump, we are going to see it exceed 100% in a profit, okay. So this was a really nice trade we took, and that I gave to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord. So if you want access to this, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, click join Bit Trading, and you can gain access to the Visionary Discord, which gives I'm giving away my whole mindset behind trading, all of the trades that I'm taking, why I'm taking those trades, and I want it to be, you know, an educational place where you can see why I'm entering a trade and why I'm taking profits. And then you can actually implement that into your own strategies, which you can actually learn over on bittrading.uk, as well as we have trading courses there as well, teaching you how I actually use trading strategies to implement them into the charts. So this is what's happened for the price of Bitcoin, okay. We've had big signs up here telling us that the price was most likely going to pull back, so we acted on that by entering a short, okay. We had a slight bullish sign here, entered into a hedged long, took 20% profit on that long, okay, but the price has continued to pull back, so that short is continuing to profit. Where is the price going to go from here? Well, what we can see is that price is actually breaking below the range low that we set here, okay. We broke the previous range low right here, got an SFP, so we entered that hedged long, okay, but we're now breaking that recently made range low, okay. And if we actually pull up a fixed range here as well, we can very clearly see that we are breaking towards the downside of this fixed range, okay. So what can we expect from here? Well, we can actually expect much more downside, because I'm not seeing any bullish signs coming into the market right now. I'm not seeing any bullish signs whatsoever, okay. And we had a very quick move up here, okay, a very quick move up. So we could see another quick and swift move back down. Where could we see the price coming back down to? Well, we could see the price coming back down to the previous range, which is this range right here. So if we do not confirm an SFP of the range low or any bullish buying signals at this range low, then I'm going to be looking at the price coming down to $27,428, which, as we can see, is the range high from the previous range, okay? And then we got that breakout towards the upside, which pumped the price up to this range that we are currently potentially leaving right now, okay? So this is where I'm looking at the price coming to, okay, all the way down here at approximately $27,430. If we don't see any bullish signs coming in, okay? And right now, it's not, for me, if you're not in a short position, I would not enter a short position right now. This is, not financial advice. This is just something that I wouldn't do. I wouldn't enter a short here because, yes, there is a possibility that we could see the price push towards the upside, okay? I'm not seeing any bullish signals, so I'm not expecting that. I am expecting lower, but I would not enter a short position right here. The short entry was from up here. This was the short entry, and I did give this short entry to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord right here. So once again, if you want access to this, to get these exclusive trades, then make sure you head over to bittrading.uk and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord. But right now is not the time to be shorting. The short was up here. If you missed that, that's okay. Okay, what you can do is you remain patient, okay, and you wait for signals. You wait for the signals, you wait for the confirmation. Okay, don't FOMO into any short position right now. Don't FOMO into any long position right now. Remain calm. This is a very, very key thing about trading. You need to remain calm, and that's what we do here at Bit Trading. We remain calm, we wait for our levels to be hit, and if we see any bullish indications, then bullish indications with confirmation and confluence, that's when we enter our trades, okay? That is the only time that we enter our trades. We don't FOMO into a trade. So for me, I'm still looking at more downside for Bitcoin as of now. There is a possibility, okay, if we can get a little push towards the upside, get an SFP of the range low, form some bullish signals there, then we could see a push towards the upside. But right now, it's looking quite likely that we're going to get a continuation towards the downside, okay? And as I said, we're in this trade from this high here, from the range high, which has been a very, very successful trade. And I'm looking for this trade to continue to yield us profits as well. So once again, if you want access to my trades, make sure you head over to bittrading.uk. Link is in the description. Join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to my personal trades right here. So that's what's happened, over the past week for Bitcoin. We've entered that short, we had a hedged long, took some nice profit off of that. That got stopped out, and now we're seeing this short continue to yield us profits. Thank you very much for watching. That's everything I've got for you today. If you enjoyed, smash a thumbs up on this video, and yes, I will see you in the next update. Thank you very much, guys, and see you later.